Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be comparing Notability and Goodnotes 6 to see if which note-taking application is really better in 2025. So let's start with the Notability. So Notability shines as a straightforward and efficient note-taking application, which is perfect for students and professionals who needs to capture information quickly. So its standout feature is audio recording that syncs with handwritten or typed notes, making it ideal for lectures and meetings. So the application supports handwriting, typing, and the PDF annotation, though most advanced features requires a subscription. So let's move forward with the Goodnotes. So on the other hand, it offers an expansive toolkit for those who want highly customizable handwriting options. So precise drawing tools and a strong organizational system using folders and tags. So it excels for planners, journals, and detailed study materials with a wide range of templates and a growing marketplace. So while it has a one-time purchase option, users can also opt into a subscription for extra features. So for the verdict, the summary is you can choose Notability for fast, audio-synced note-taking. So you can also choose Goodnotes 6 for creative, organized, and long-term note archives. So that's it for our comparison. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!